Despite a move by countries towards single-use and degradable plastics, hundreds of tons end up on sites like this every year. As much as 7 billion tons of it has been dumped in landfills or waste mountains. Here at University College London, scientists are looking at a range of technologies which can dramatically cut the amount of plastic waste humans produce.
So if there is a new polymer material that is going out into the market, then manufacturers have to think really carefully about the end of life of that material. Is it something that could go into some sort of compostable system, be it industrial composting or anaerobic digestion, or is it going to end up down at your local waste depot? The ideal solution would be to be able to have systems to sort and degrade, whether that's a chemical degradation or a biological degradation. I don't think we can leave the amount of plastics that's currently in the oceans. And people are looking at developing microbial-based systems, for example, that might be able to help degrade plastics in a marine environment.
Environmental campaigners say a legally binding protocol on the management of plastic waste is urgently needed.
Now, we're talking about China, we're talking about India, Singapore, or any other country. These are the countries that have huge populations. These are the countries that have the huge pollution when it comes to plastic. So if you're talking about any meaningful commitments and desire and seriousness on having a plastic pollution treaty, all countries, all member states must demonstrate that they are committed. We would have to bring other stakeholders on board. Apart from the existing technology, new technologies, we would have to have a conversation with policy framers, the government, the industry players, and civil society organizations. So yes, it's possible for us to get to that 80%, but technology alone would be limited.
The UN Environment Programme is aiming to develop a legally binding agreement on plastic pollution for land and sea.